From this video, you will get tips to prepare for HPE7-A09 HPE Network Switching Expert Written Exam. HPE7-A09 Exam Overview. HPE7-A09 Exam Objectives. HPE7-A09 Exam Preparation Tips. (1) Which two conditions may lead to asymmetric routing in an ECMP-enabled network? Select two answers. A. Misaligned routing policies. B. Uniform path costs. C. Unequal bandwidth per path. D. Disabled jumbo frame support. Answer: A, C. 2. A network administrator is asked to monitor link stability and CPU utilization on core switches and take action when thresholds are breached. Which three NA tasks should be implemented? Select three answers. A. Deploy threshold-based triggers on CPU. B. Monitor interface operational status. C. Export logs to public syslog collector. D. Configure alert and email notification. E. Disable switch port on threshold breach. Answer: A, B, D. 3. A government agency implements MACsec and role-based access control using downloadable roles. Some users complain about intermittent access and slow login authentication. Which three troubleshooting areas are most relevant? Select three answers. A. Verify radius timeout and retransmit settings. B. Check if MACsec negotiation fails due to key mismatch. C. Validate policy mapping for dynamic VLANs. D. Inspect NAT table for TCP session reuse. E. Confirm PO budget allocations. Answer: A, B, C. 4. Why should equal cost multipath (ECMP) be enabled in a Layer 3 core fabric? A. It adds VLAN redundancy in Layer 2. B. It provides loop-free BGP routes. C. It allows load balancing across multiple next hops. D. It prevents route redistribution. Answer: C. 5. A switch port should be configured as in blank port when it connects to a user endpoint and belongs to a single VLAN. A. Trunk. B. Routed. C. Access. D. Loopback. Answer: C. 6. What is the result of using NetEdit's intent-based configuration model on EOSCX switches? A. Commands are sent immediately to the switch without validation. B. Users can write JSON automation scripts. C. Configuration is compared against desired state before deployment. D. CLI access is disabled. Answer: C. 7. When should an engineer prefer using HPE Aruba Networking Central over CLI for device configuration? A. When deploying a standalone switch. B. When automating template-based provisioning at scale. C. When troubleshooting a one-time Layer 3 routing loop. D. When accessing local console logs. Answer. B. 8. What is the most effective way to ensure configuration compliance across multiple AOSCX switches managed in Aruba Central? A. Schedule a nightly SNMP poll. B. Enable NTP sync on all devices. C. Use group-based configuration templates. D. Configure a syslog server for each device. Answer. C. 9. Which two symptoms typically indicate a routing loop in an OSPF-enabled Layer 3 topology? Select two answers. A. High TTL values in traceroute. B. Frequent MAC address changes. C. Continual route flapping in routing table. D. Multiple equal cost next hops per route. Answer. B, C. 10. Which factor most influences the decision between Layer 2 and Layer 3 access designs in enterprise networks? A. The requirement for port-based COEs. B. The need for access layer resiliency. C. The number of VLANs in each wiring closet. D. The use of HPE Aruba Central for monitoring. Answer. C. Subscribe and like past question.